Teen numbers present a unique challenge in early number learning. Every teen number is comprised of one 10 and another quantity less than 10. In spoken form, the teen number communicates units first, followed by its tenness. Not so when written. Here the 10 leads and the ones follow. This inconsistency can be confusing. 11 and 12, with their complete lack of adherence to any convention, only adds to the challenge. This assessment focuses less on language and more on structure. Do children understand the embedded tenness in all teen numbers, and can they extrapolate this early place value understanding to larger numbers? Place 20 or more cubes in front of the learner, then write 17 or use arrow cards to build the number below the cubes. Confirm the child can read the number. Count out 7 cubes, combine them into a tower, and place the tower on top of the 7. Explain your action and provide direction to the learner. I counted out 7 cubes to show the meaning of the 7. Can you show me the meaning of the 1 using cubes? Does the child count out 10 cubes to demonstrate the meaning of the 1, or does he grab 1 cube only? If the child grabs 1 cube only, move to conversation 2 to determine if he can see the tenness in 12. If the child sees the 1 is 10, move to conversation 3. Place 8 cubes in front of the child and have her confirm there are 8 cubes. Ask her to imagine another 10 cubes and ask, if I combine these 8 cubes with another 10, how many would there be altogether? If the child does not know or counts on, move to conversation 2. If the child answers 18, add a 10 stick to the pile and have them imagine what would happen if another 20 cubes were added to 18. How many would there be then? If the child does not know, counts on by ones, or skip counts by tens, stop the assessment and introduce activities that encourage jumps of 10 off and on the decade. If the child knows automatically that the answer is 38, move to conversation 4. Place 36 cubes in front of the child and ask her to estimate how many cubes there are. Using the child's estimate, for instance 28, ask how many groups of 10s and leftovers that would make. Invite the child to count to make groups of 10 to find out the total. If the child does not use the 10 and 1 structure to see the answer is 36, stop the assessment and introduce more place value composition and decomposition activities within 100. If the child confidently manipulates the 10 and 1 structure, you may want to continue conversation 4 to see how that knowledge supports mental computation. Revisit conversation 3 and use the class recording sheet throughout the year to identify the teen numbers the child knows immersively as 110 and some more ones. Modify the context and the questioning so that the unknown fluctuates between the sum, an addend, the minuend, the subtrahend, and the difference.